guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For those of you that are new and viewing, welcome to the channel, y'all. So today I'm going to be installing a wig, but here on my channel I do a lot of wig and hair videos. I also do some try on hauls, some little fashion here and there, and some lifestyle and vlogs. So if you guys like what you see today, make sure you subscribe. So in today's video, I'm installing a wig from Hermosa hair. They were kind enough to send over this long, beautiful black wig, y'all. I mean, I am just in awe over this unit. Like, I'm not even joking. I was just like, the minute I took it out of the packaging, I was like, this is some luscious, thick, shiny hair. It was just giving. I went ahead and I bleached the knots off camera, just first thing for you guys to know with that, because I needed those knots to be a little bit lighter. I'm going to go ahead and start off with sticking this wig on a mannequin head, and I'm going to pluck it. I knew that I wanted to wear this wig with some crimps in it. Yes, I'm going to crimp iron this hair. So I knew that I didn't want to have any baby hairs as well. So I knew that I needed to focus on making that hairline look really good. So since it was pretty full, as you guys can see, I'm going to go in and do a really in-depth plucking session with this wig. And you guys are going to be able to see that before and after. In just a second, and I just take like little row by little row until I go back as far as I want to, and until it just is looking a little bit more realistic, if you get what I'm saying. So once I have finished plucking out that hairline and it's looking pretty good, I am going to move on to crimping the hair. So since I was using a crimp iron, I was like, this is going to be a little bit harder to do if the wig was already installed on my head. So I went ahead and did it off of my head on the mannequin head first, and that made it a lot easier. You'll want to make sure you use some type of holding spray to make sure that your hair actually holds the crimps, you know what I mean? And I used some Got To Be Insta Hold spray, as well as the Pump It Up Sprints Hold spray, to make sure that those crimps were not going anywhere. And I sprayed that on each piece right before I ironed it and after. So now we are going to move on to the installation process. And can you believe it? Today, your girl is going to install this wig using some actual lace glue. I usually don't use lace glue strictly because I change my wigs so often. Like, literally every day my hairstyle is different. So that's why I don't do this process, because when you use glue, I feel like it's for the purpose of you want your wig to stay on longer than a day, and that's not the case for me. So I don't do that, but I'm going to use it today because I actually wore this wig all week, and since it was already curled in the back, it was easy enough to crimp curl it in the front once I got the lace on. So once I put the glue on, I let it dry down just a little bit, and then I'm going to put my elastic band on just to let that lace set into place, and we're going to finish crimping the top of my hair. So once I get the crimps finished, then I'm going to move on with my hot comb to make sure that the roots are flat. We're also going to add some makeup to my parting space because I want to make sure that it is visible. I'm going to add like some little small swoops to the sides just to give a little bit more dimension, a little fun. And that was pretty much it. I know that this could be like a difficult process to some, but I felt like this is one of those more simple processes because I didn't do a lot in terms of styling it. It's literally just the basic middle part, but you can be more creative with crimps in your hair if you would like. But I was just really feeling this middle part and these crimps and this length, honey. For it to be a long wig, it has such a good density. Oh my gosh. And all of the information about this wig is going to be in my description bar. But I believe this wig was 26 inches long. And I'm here for the long hair, honey. I feel like long hair, you have a good time. That's what it's meant for, you know? So this is a really good quality wig. I love the lace. I feel like it blended into my skin pretty well. You can add some makeup around that lace if you want to. I like that it's a frontal, you know, that brings all the versatility options on how you want to style your unit. So I am here for this. I'm here for this whole style. You guys let me know what you think about the crimps because, honey, I love them. I love them. I love them. And that is all I have for y'all. Thank you so much for watching today's video. And make sure you check out the description bar, y'all, for the links. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.